Bird and Kip, Episode 15, Kip's Circus. Kip was still thinking about the circus. Suddenly, he heard something. A puppy was loose. The puppy was running right toward Kip. Barked the puppy.
Ah!
Cried Kip. Kip jumped into a bush. The puppy got hold of a branch. Then the puppy let go. Kip flew through the air like an acrobat. Kip landed in a tree. He walked like a tightrope walker.
Phew.
Then the branch snapped. Kip fell down to the ground. The puppy wagged its tail. It barked. The puppy just wanted to play. Kip had an idea.
Sit down.
Said Kip. The puppy sat down.
Roll over.
Said Kip. The puppy rolled over.
Wow.
Said Kip.
I'm a puppy tamer. You put on a great show.
Said Bird.
Just like the circus.
Said Kip.